Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about my skincare routine for the nighttime. Okay, first of all, we have the face wash, we have the micellar gel, we have the cleansing oil, the herb Manyo factory cleansing oil. I've been using Senka Perfect Whip for almost a year now and I love it. It is like the first face wash that does not break me out or dehydrate my skin. Now the Corine Farme micellar gel. I used to be pretty skeptical about this one because it's big and it's really affordable, but it works. I love it. It provides ample hydration for me during the jade rolling. You just slather all of this micellar gel all over my face and then just jade roll. I've already froze the jade roller for the night and I feel like it's so good.